I'm Sri Charan. My register number is UR15CS134. Today the program given to me is looping and branching statements. This is my first exercise in C++. The question goes as follows, as you can see on the screen. Tom has a number of balls in a basket. He wants to build a pyramid using the balls. Tom has a method of arranging the balls to perform the pyramid as follows. Yeah, this is the question, and he has given a sample model of the question. And generally what I say is it is generally used to find the height of the pyramid, and I have done a program in order to find the height of the pyramid, maximum height of the pyramid. And here it goes. The source code of the program is first I gave an IO hash include IO stream, the header file. It is the basic header file for the C++ program, and the namespace std which I gave in the second line is generally used in order to reduce my work while I was giving cout and cin statements, the output and input statements. Generally in C++, if you don't give the statements, you need to give std on the front of all the output and input statements. In main, it is generally used to start the program, and further I initialized my variables I and n, and further x also I initialized, and I gave a value for x as 0 because it has a chance of taking any other garbage value which would increase my work. Further, I gave cout statements in order to find out the number of balls the user wanted to give as input. The cin statement is used to run the command. Further, I gave a for loop. The for loop is generally used to increase the value of I until the loop gets terminated. The loop gets terminated once the value of I gets greater than n. In the loop, what I have done is the increment of x takes place, and then as the increment of x takes place, the decrement of n also takes place. As n reduces, as you see here, n equal to n minus x, as x is incremented, n value is decremented. As this process gets repeated in the loop, once the value of n reduces than the value of I, as you see here, I is less than or equal to n, the loop gets terminated. So this process happens until the value is less than or equal to n. Once it is greater than n, the loop gets terminated, and the maximum and I gave a cout statement at the end. When the loop gets terminated, the maximum height of the pyramid is being displayed, and I further concluded my program. If I have to see anything, like if I have to see my output, first I am given with the enter number of balls command, and here I gave the number of balls to be 7, and I need to get my output as 3. As you can see this. This is applicable for any number of outputs, any number of inputs that I give. This time I'll go with something like 11, and I get the pyramid maximum height of the pyramid as 4. This is what I have done, and I hope you guys, you liked it, and this is conclusion. Thank you.